Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Astro Pankaj Seth, Just the Best. Today my topic is Moon and Ketu conjunction. As yesterday we learnt about the effect of Moon and Rahu conjunction. In the same way, Moon and Ketu conjunction is also not considered good. It is a worst conjunction and it is indicating a Grahan dosha. Moon is our mind. Ketu is indicating the panic, deeper concentration. So Moon and Ketu conjunction is indicating native may has a panic nature. He may be overreacting on anything. He be taking a lots of stress. He is taking unnecessary stress or unnecessary concentration over any points. He may be full with the false ego. He may be suffering from the depression. He can harm on self due to excess concentration or excess emotions. As the classical, this combination can give the suicidal tendencies. So whenever the Moon and Ketu conjuncted in the charts and it is associated with the other malefic planets such as Saturn and Mars and placed in a Dusasthan, especially on the 8th house or 12th house, 7th house, then it may be cause very harmful for the natives. And even whenever the planet transit to such combinations, such as the negative planet transit to the such combinations, then it may be giving the negative effect. Moon is our blood flow. Whenever it is associated with the Ketu, then native may be suffering from the high blood pressure. Native may be suffering from the burn, because Ketu is the Karak of burn. So native may be suffering from the burn. He may be suffering from the blood infections, which may also cause for the skin rashes or pimples or other such type of issues. Moon is the watery planet. When it is associated with the Ketu, then native may be suffering from the dehydration or lack of water level in the body due to excess body heat, because Ketu is a fiery element and Ketu is associated with the Moon, a water element. So it may cause for the dehydration or lack of water in the bodies. Native may be suffering from the excess body heat. He may be suffering from the fever or other such type of health related issues. Moon is mother and it is associated with the Ketu. Then in the simple ways we can say that his mother's health may be weak. She may be a religious or spiritual lady. Native may have lack of happiness of the mother or his motherland. Means here the Moon also represents the motherland. So native has lack of happiness of either mother or his motherland. He may have lack of domestic happiness, because Moon is our home and it is indicating native may have lack of domestic happiness. In our Nadi astrology, Ketu is considered as a maternal grandmother. So when the Ketu is associated with the Moon, then either we can say that his maternal grandfather or maternal grandmother can change his place, or maternal grandfather may be suffering from any sort of false blaming, and his maternal grandmother may have the spiritual inclinations. Moon and Ketu giving the panic nature. So native may be short temper. He may be suddenly explode, or he has uncertain natures. He may be suffering from the just like a cuts, or he may be suffering from the cuts or burns. Moon is our roof, so we can say that native may has a fair look, but he may be suffering from any cuts and burn in his face or his head. Whenever the moon and Ketu conjuncted in the charts, then natives have high concentration level. So he has to control his concentration power. So either native has to do the meditation, or he has to worship Lord Ganesha to avoid any sort of evil effect. Thank you. Hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channels to get the latest videos. Next day we learnt about Mars and Mercury conjunction. Thank you. Thank you for the watching.